the Magic Union Power Lift Chair. It's a heated electric recliner with vibration massage, remote control, and side pockets. Perfect for the elderly catnap. This chair has 1,400 ratings on Amazon and gets a 4.3 out of 5-star average. And if you're looking for slightly different features, check out Magic Union's other chairs. They make a great product. And this particular model comes in black and brown faux leather. It's made of solid wooden frame, has cup holders, pockets for putting the TV remote or storing other things. The power lift function can push the entire chair up from its base to help your senior stand up easily. Recline the chair and release the built-in footrest, fully powered by the remote, and the back and footrest work together. There's 4 areas of massage focus: leg, tight, lumbar, and back, with 5 modes: pulse, press, wave, auto, and normal. It should meet all of your massage needs, and the heat function is for the lumbar part. It's easy to use. With 2 remote controls, it will smoothly and safely control the lift, recline, and massage of the chair. Also, it's easy to assemble. Let me share with you a fantastic review of this product. This is from verified purchaser Marie. My sister, son, and I bought this chair for my 70-year-old mom, who suffers from spinal stenosis. She loves it. It's very comfortable, and the heat and massage feel great on her back. She's only 5'3", so I was worried it would be too big. It is a little large, but still very comfortable. The lift function works great, not too fast or too slow, and allows her to get out of the chair without pain. She uses the cup holders for her water bottle and TV remote, which means she doesn't have to reach for them. And we're very happy with this purchase. Well, there you go. Got the Mcombo large power lift recliner chair with massage and heat for elderly, big, and tall people. It's got 3 positions, 2 side pockets, and cup holders, USB ports, and this particular model is fabric in the color coffee. It's got 957 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.3 out of 5. Mcombo also makes a variety of other highly rated chairs, so check them out. The model shown here is the large, but you can also order in medium. It's got power lift assistance, full body vibration and lumbar heat, extended backrest with a deeper seat. It's got dual USB outlets and dual side pockets for small items within reach, and 2 cup holders on both sides of the armrest. Now let me share a fantastic review of the product from a verified purchaser. Mcombo electric power lift recliner with massage and heater has made a great improvement in my quality of life. Since my stroke, it has been difficult to get out of a chair or off a couch. Now at the press of a button, I can get up easily. The 5-point massager and heat have helped loosen my tight muscles. The price was also a big factor in my purchase, and fast delivery and free shipping was the icing on the cake. Well, there you go. The Irene House dual OKIN motor lift chair recliner. This lay-flat, infinite position recliner for the elderly comfortably fits up to 300 pounds, has an electric power lift, side pocket, and is covered in soft brown leather. You can also get this chair in fabric and different colors, such as blue, brown, brown leather, gray, gray leather, light brown, and sage. It has 933 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 stars out of 5. And Irene House makes other chairs as well, so check those out if you're looking for additional features. Dual high-quality OKIN motors are extremely quiet, smooth, and can operate independently, so the backrest and footrest can be adjusted individually. You can get any position you want by using the 4 buttons on the hand controller. The backrest can be operated from 105 to 180 degrees, and the footrest can be operated from 90 degrees to 180 degrees. And the position lock of the chair is infinite. You can recline to almost level or any degree above that, with or without raising the footrest. And the seat lift, which can be raised and lowered to any desired degree, is an outstanding feature. It's got comfortable upholstery and a sturdy construction. It comes with a lumbar pillow, which can support the waist, and a widened backrest provides extra support for the body. Here's a top review from a verified purchaser, Biker Jr. Bought this chair for my grandma whose mobility is significantly decreased and who is in poor health. She sits in the chair all day and does her puzzles. Lift to standing position is perfect and requires very little, if any, effort on her part. She sleeps in the chair as well, and had in her previous motorized recliner for many years. She said this chair is much more comfortable. She has a relatively small frame and her old chair, quote, swallowed her up. This chair is not so large that she feels swallowed by it. We purchased the gray color, and it's a very nice looking color. Very simple to use, 2-button operation, and stops at any point in the operation, allowing for maximum comfort. Free shipping to the door was a major plus. Very satisfied with this purchase. Nice, well there you go. Order yours today. It's available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.